You might have heard that debt can be a burden, but did you know that for some wealthy individuals, it can also be a powerful tool for generating wealth? Contrary to popular belief, many affluent people use strategic financial moves to make money with debt. In this video, we will explore 7 intriguing ways that rich individuals utilize debt to their advantage and how this method can be relatable to a wider audience. Welcome to BE Media, where we empower you with the practical tips and strategies to achieve financial prosperity. Today, I have an exciting topic to explore: the 7 ways rich people make money with debt. Before we delve into these money-making techniques, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will gain access to valuable content that will guide you on your journey to financial success. Let's dive in. The first way would be leveraging other people's money. One of the key strategies employed by wealthy individuals is using other people's money to fund their ventures. They understand that borrowing funds from investors, banks, allows them to initiate profitable projects without tying up with all of their own capital. For example, think about crowdfunding platforms where regular people invest small amounts in promising startups. While you might not have millions to invest, the concept of using OPM can be applied on a smaller scale, like pooling money with friends or family for an investment property. So how can I apply the concept of using the people's money to my financial goals without taking unnecessary risk? While using the other people's money can be a powerful strategy, it's essential to approach it with caution. Start by networking with friends, family, or potential investor who might be interested in your ideas. Present a solid business plan or investment proposal that outlines the potential risks and rewards. Transparency is key in building trust with potential investors. Additionally, consider starting with smaller projects to test the water before venturing into a larger ventures with OPM. The second way is real estate investment. Rich people often invest in real estate, capitalizing on favorable financial options such as mortgages. The key here is to acquire income-generating properties that can cover the debt payments and even provide a positive cash flow. This strategy isn't just for ultra-wealthy. With careful research and proper planning, anyone can venture into a real estate investment and build a portfolio over time. So what are some effective strategies for minimizing risk when investing in a real estate using debt? Real estate investing with debt can be rewarding, but it comes with risk. To minimize them, research the local market thoroughly and invest in the areas with a history of appreciation. Calculate your cash flow carefully, ensuring that rental incomes cover your mortgages and other expenses. Maintain an emergency fund to handle unforeseen repairs or vacancies. Moreover, consider fixed-rate mortgages to protect against rising interest rates. And don't overextend yourself by buying more properties that you can manage. Let's take a moment to pause and savor the journey of discovering the ways to make money with debt. Now I want you to do something that might seem a bit unusual but can be incredibly insightful for your financial future. Turn off the TV and take a moment to check your current financial status, assess your income, expenses, savings, and any outstanding debts you may have. Understanding your financial situation is the first step towards making an informed decision and setting achievable goals. As we delve into the ways rich people make money with debt, keep your financial status in mind. Think about how these strategies can potentially align with your goals and how you can adopt them to suit in your unique circumstances. Remember, the journey to financial prosperity starts with awareness and taking a small step toward building a brighter future. Now, with your financial snapshot in mind, let's continue exploring these 5 intriguing ways that wealthy individuals leverage debt to create lasting wealth. As we uncover these secrets, you will find practical insights that can inspire your own path to financial success. So grab your drink, get comfortable, and let's continue our journey together. The third way is private equity investment. Wealthy individuals frequently invest in the private companies or startups that show potential for exponential growth. By taking calculated risk, they finance their ventures through debt or convertible debt instruments. While you might not be investing in a billion-dollar startup, you can still apply this principle by supporting local businesses or emerging companies that align with your values and have a solid growth plan. So how do I identify promising private companies or startups to invest in and avoid potential scams or fraudulent schemes? Identifying promising startup involves thorough due diligence. Look for companies with a strong management team, a clear business plan, or a product or services that addresses a genuine need in the market. Scrutinize their financials and assess their growth potential. You can also seek advice from industry experts or financial advisors to guide your decision making. Be conscious of any investment opportunities that promise unrealistic returns or lack transparent information. Fourth way is to leverage investment in stocks. Some affluent investors use margin accounts provided by brokerages firms to buy more stocks than they could with their own capital. While this can amplify gains, it also increases the risk of losses. For the wider audience, this concept can be translated into building a diversified investment portfolio, taking advantage of low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds. So how can I balance the potential benefits of leverage investment with the associated risk to protect my financial future? Leverage investment can amplify both gains and losses. It's crucial to strike a balance between risk and reward. Diversification is key. Spread your investment across different assets and industries to reduce overall risk. Avoid over-leveraging and only invest what you can afford to lose. Furthermore, maintain a long-term perspective as short-term market fluctuation might be less significant in the grand scheme of your investment journey. The fifth way is acquiring businesses through debt financing. When wealthy individuals spot lucrative business opportunities, they might acquire existing businesses by financing the purchase with debt. By carefully analyzing the company's potential and conducting thorough due diligence, they can turn struggling businesses into a profitable venture. While acquiring an entire business may not be feasible for most people, the idea of taking calculated risk in entrepreneurship endeavors is applicable to various levels of business expansion. So what factors should I consider when evaluating a potential business acquisitions opportunity to ensure it's a wise investment? Assessing a business acquisition opportunity requires a comprehensive evaluation. Look at the company's financial health, including revenue, expenses, and profit margins. Examine its market position and potential growth. Conduct a due diligence to uncover any existing liabilities or legal issues. Consider how acquisitions align with your existing expertise and resources. Lastly, seek professional advice from accountants, lawyers, and business advisors to make informed decisions. So before we proceed to explore the sixth way to make money with debt, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each one of you for being a part of this valuable discussion. So if you have enjoyed this insight so far, I encourage you to hit the share button. Let your circle benefit from this valuable content. Together, we can create a positive impact and support each other in pursuit of financial success. Now let's move forward to uncover the sixth way rich people make money with debt. Sixth way is utilizing home equity. Affluent individuals often tap into their home equity through home equity lines of credit to finance other ventures and investment. This approach can be adopted by homeowners to fund home improvements or as a safety net for unexpected expenses. So is it safe to use home equity for investment? And what precautions should I take to avoid jeopardizing my home? Using home equity for investment carries inherent risk, and it's essential to proceed with caution. Ensure that you have a stable source of income to cover both your mortgage and any additional debt you take on. Consider conservative investment that offers steady returns rather than speculative ventures. Keep in mind that if the investment doesn't perform as expected, you could put your home at risk. Always have a backup plan and avoid taking on more debt that you can comfortably handle. The last way would be venture debt. In a startup world, venture debt is becoming increasingly popular. This form of debt provides startup with additional capital without diluting the ownership of existing shareholders. While the average person may not be involved in the startup ecosystem, the concept of seeking alternative financing options for personal project or business ideas can be relevant and empowering. So what are the alternative financing options I can explore beyond traditional bank loans to support my entrepreneurial inspiration? There are several alternative financing options available for entrepreneurship. You can consider angel investors or venture capitalists who are interested in supporting early-stage startups. Crowdfunding platforms allow you to raise funds from a broad audience for creative projects or social initiatives. Additionally, small business grants, government subsidies, or business incubator programs can provide financial support and resources for specific industries and ventures. Explore these options while keeping in mind that each comes with requirements and consideration. Understanding how wealthy individuals use debt to their advantage can offer valuable insights into financial strategies that can be applied to different scales and circumstances. While implementing these tactics requires careful consideration and risk management, adopting a strategic approach to debt can open up new opportunities for wealth generation and financial growth. Always remember that it's essential to seek professional advice and conduct thorough research before making any financial decisions. Thank you so much for joining. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content, where we will provide valuable tips and insights specifically tailored to help you achieve financial success. Don't miss out this opportunity to gain the necessary skills and strategies to create a lasting wealth. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video.